Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we are comparing two remarkable dash cameras designed for safety and security while driving. On one side, we have the 1080p dash camera, which offers essential features like loop recording and night vision at an affordable price. On the other side, we have the premium 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash camera, equipped with advanced technology such as HDR night vision and a STARVIS 2 sensor. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to video quality, the 1080p dash camera captures clear footage, but it cannot compete with the stunning resolution of the 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash camera. The latter offers a superior viewing experience with its 4K front camera and two additional 1080p cameras for comprehensive coverage. This makes it ideal for capturing every detail on the road, especially in critical situations. Storage is crucial for dash cams, and here we see a significant difference. The 1080p dash camera comes with a 32GB card, which may fill up quickly with high-resolution recordings. In contrast, the 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash camera includes a generous 64GB card, allowing for longer recording times and more footage without the need for frequent overwriting. Both dashcams offer night vision capabilities, but the 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash camera takes it a step further with HDR technology, ensuring clearer images in low-light conditions. Additionally, it includes GPS functionality, providing essential data like speed and location, which can be invaluable in case of an incident. The 1080p dash camera, while functional, lacks these advanced features. In conclusion, while both dashcams have their merits, the choice ultimately depends on your needs and budget. The 1080p dash camera is a solid option for those seeking basic functionality at a lower price point. However, if you want the best in video quality, storage, and advanced features, the 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash camera is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.